Hello everybody and welcome back to Pinky's Planet. And today, Pinky is going to go for a canoe ride. Now today, Pinky is at Kejimkujik Lake, on Kejimkujik Lake. And she's going to be exploring the islands. And we're going to take her for a canoe ride, all by herself. Let's go, Pinky. Okay. Good girl, Pinky. Now we're in the lake. Right now we're tethered on, so you can't float away. And Pinky, oh sorry Pinky, is just chilling out in the canoe. Lie down, Pinky. There's the beautiful lake. Yep.
Pinky. Hi, puppy. Hi. Are you going for a canoe ride? Sarah loves you so much, she's taking you for a canoe ride. Good girl. Hi. Well, look at you. Queen of the boat. Hi. Lay down, Pinky.